Hello, supply chain aficionados. Martin here. And in this time, we're going to explore how SAP can help us when we have so much space for a material and we want to take full advantage of that allocated space by replenishing to the max stock level. Let's say, for example, that we have a tank, a silo, a shelf of dangerous goods or storage area available for storage, and we want and need to control the amount on hand. There are a couple of ways to limit the replenishment to a maximum. But today, we're going to specifically explore how to take full advantage of the space available by combining the max with an instruction to MRP to replenish to the max as well. Sean Elif is the king of inventory optimization, and I'm going to ask him to help us talk through what this looks like and how to use the replenishment levels of maximum stock to be able to get what we need. So Sean, take it away.
Thank you, Martin. Encountering a physical or regulatory space constraint is a definite challenge. Did you know that SAP can actually help you to pre-plan to have the right level of inventory? Think about it as filling up to the max fill line, but planning to stay at or just beneath, depending on the other lot size rules that you may encounter. Now, you may choose to work this in conjunction with a reorder point, which gets you closer to physical reality due to a delayed trigger, or you may choose to plan in advance to the demand and then continue to refine as you get closer to replenishment time. You might then combine this with a schedule agreement and distinguish between a just-in-time release and a forecasted schedule. We can get quite sophisticated with this, that's for sure. So to get started today, let's keep it simple. Let's jump into SAP and we'll look at replenishing to max stock level using appropriate lot size key, a minimum lot size, a rounding value, and a max stock level, and so that we do not exceed it. After all, the best way of learning is by doing. We are so spoiled for choices on the ways in which we can set up our planning. There are options to fulfill almost any business scenario. And today we're going to produce a simple planning situation that will allow us to readily see the impact of three key master data fields and their settings: the lot size key, the maximum stock level, and a minimum order quantity. So let's jump into our stock requirements list. And what we've done is we've set this up for material PLA black in plant 1000. And this material is our black plastic and supports production of our seasonal phone holder. Now, we are storage constrained on Gaylord boxes at this particular facility, and so we want to make sure that we have 1,300 pounds of plastic resin in this facility at any given time. Now, we could use reorder points or deterministic planning to achieve this, depending on our requirements. And to keep the focus on lot size, let's keep the PD MRP type in place.